Today I'm unboxing, reviewing, and testing the Samsung T7 Shield. It says it goes 1050 megabytes a second. Let's find out. First, let's unbox it to see what you get in the package when you order this online. Samsung always packages their SSDs very nicely, and this is no different. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's right in the box when you open it straight away. And this is the cable box below it. They give two cables, a USB to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-C, and some paperwork that I'm not gonna look at. Now, this is the SSD. Listen to that. It's a beautiful rubber and some metal on the sides. The rubber overlaps the metal, so it won't get damaged if you drop it, which is very nice. And yeah, it just feels really good. It's got a thick, nice rubber layer. I think if you drop it, it'll be fine, and it'll protect your data. Plus, I really love the feel of that rubber. Okay, so size-wise, it's 3.5 inches long. That's about 9 centimeters. And width, it's about 2.25 inches. That's 6 centimeters. And thickness is about 0.5 inch. That's about 1.25 centimeters. Now we're going to do a little test here. I've done a simulation test already, and I've topped out 1060 megabytes a second, which is actually faster than it says on the box. Now, I don't like to always just rely on these because I want to do a real life test to see what happens when you drop some data in there. I have 10 gigabytes of 4K footage I filmed myself here, 37 files. And we're going to go and take this and just drop it in and see how it handles it in a real life test. And boom, we are off to the races. Okay, 500, 550, 560, 570, can we get 600? Yeah, 600 megabytes a second. We are really tearing here. You can't really move 4K footage very fast. It's quite heavy on the computer. Okay, so that was it, 18 seconds. That is blisteringly fast to move 10 gigabytes of 4K footage from my computer to the SSD. Like, if you need something faster than that, then I don't know what you're doing. This is fast enough. And with that, I'm going to call it a day.